Hi, welcome back. It's Richard the painter again. As I said, I was going to show you around this transporter. Now we finished it. It's all back together, looking all nice now. And the customer's coming this morning, just giving it final checks, making sure everything's nice and clean and tidy. I'm saying name again already, aren't I? Yeah, I'll show you around it, that'll be easier. So we've put the new headlights in, whole new front end, new bumper, the splitter, fog lights, even the very lower chin spoiler, depending on what you call them. We've got DRLs in there as well. Even the newer shape wing mirrors. Sorry, can't see the screen. There we go. As you can see, it's come out really nice, raven blue. Unfortunately, it's not sunny today, so we can't. So this colour looks really good in the sunshine. Plenty of gloss on there with a MIPA CX4. Fitted the spoiler as well. We've got newer lights, the newer back bumper as well. All looks very nice in there now. It's all modern. So we've colour coded wing mirrors, wing mirror caps, door handles, just to freshen it up. Whole front end's colour coded. We've got D-badge grille, which is in gloss black to match the chin spoiler. Hopefully you heard all of that from me, and I've got a picture of my forend. So basically, yeah, that's all done now, all painted, whole flat polished, ready to go out the door. I just wanted to do like a video of it all so everybody can see it. More so just how nice this colour looks, because I've had a lot of comments on this one. So much so, I think I've already mentioned it, we've got another customer's car to paint. In the same colour. He walked in, saw it in the workshop, and he wants this colour himself, so I'm going to do that again. It is very nice colour, definitely really nice in the sunshine. Don't know if I've said it's a really nice colour. Good choices there. So repair wise, we had usual stuff with a slightly older van, even with new stuff. Few little scuffs, buffs, a few little dingers here and there, nothing major. Back door wasn't particularly great. It's had a few knocks about. It's all sorted now. On this one, which is quite nice, we had customer bought all brand new rubbers. That front end was a kit. I will find out who the company supplied it by, because it's very substantial. Came with absolutely everything that he's asked for or requested. I'll have to find all the information out on that. Everything was insurance approved as regards the bumper, well, both bumpers, bonnet. The splitter fits reasonably well considering it's an aftermarket one. They're not the best fitting things in the world normally, but this one actually it isn't that bad at all. The DRLs were a kit. Customer's going to wire them in himself. The headlights came with the converting wiring, so that they were just plug and play, which is nice. I think customer's got a switch to change because he's got proper fogs now, and a little bit of wiring, I think. So basically we've put in a new arch on this side. This side had a previous arch in there in the past. Oh, and we've got a train coming past, I think. No point talking while that's coming past, is there? But you get the gist of it anyway. Just wanted to show it. It's not very often you get a whole kit, a whole substantial kit like what we've got here, which is really good. Normally you get like one or the other, and you get bits and pieces, but this has got absolutely everything, so makes it that bit nicer. Hopefully the customer will be happy. He'll be here shortly, if he's not already on his way. No doubt excited. Then we'll have a chat through it, have a walk around it, make sure everybody's happy, and then he'll be on his way and I'll be on with the next one. Got a bay window coming in called Bert. I think I've mentioned that in a previous video as well. And then we'll make a start on that one. That's a different one. I think that's everything I wanted to say. Very important to have a coffee in the morning, by the way. Absolutely necessary. Keeps you moving in the morning, especially when it's cold like this. I was hoping for a bit of sunshine, but we're not going to have it today. And then right, I'll have another walk around this, just double check it, and then I'll leave you to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that wonderful stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.